the document, the petition that we wrote, was submitted to the police authorities. And a copy was also submitted to the regional minister. The regional minister, as a matter of fact, also called on the Minerals Commission to confirm whether or not, confirm from them whether or not indeed such a meeting took place at the Ofurepenife on the 2nd of March, and whether or not indeed the Minerals Commission confirmed that the Summertide company of which Mr. Achuforsen and Toby Agasamaglo lead or act as directors are not lawfully registered to carry out sand winning activities. This is the information that the Minerals Commission issued out to the regional minister, and this is signed by Mr. Joshua Kwe Sowa on behalf of the Chief Executive Officer. With your permission, let me just read, it's a small letter. Information on Summertide Company Limited, Mr. Achuforsen, CEO. We write in response to a request made on June 18, 2021 for information from the Minerals Commission regarding the above mentioned sand winning company. The following are our findings. The Minerals Commission has not issued a mining lease to the above mentioned company for sand winning. And you're talking about Achuforsen's company. 2. The Inspectorate Division of the Minerals Commission has not issued a mining operating permit to the above mentioned company. 3. Attached is a report from the Akyem Abuakwa Traditional Council on illegal sand winning involving Mr. Samuel Achuforsen. We hope this letter will be able to address your concerns regarding the company. This is a letter, an official letter coming from the Minerals Commission. That Mr. Achuforsen, the man who had complained, leading to the arrest of Nanano, the man who is carrying out illegal sand winning activities, in the full glare of the Adeiso police, who have failed to act on this matter. That is the man that had the courage to walk to the regional police command to get Nanano arrested. That is the man. But I said that we are particularly disappointed at the conduct of the police regarding this matter, because the Inspector General of Police is fully briefed about the conduct of this Summertide company, and as a matter of fact, the Regional Police Command also is fully aware that Mr. Achuforsen is carrying out illegal sand winning activities, and the police is aware. We also have received information that in those areas where Mr. Achuforsen carries out this operation, there's a police van full of police officers who protect his site, and they are on his payroll. So we are not surprised at all about the outcome of these matters. It's unfortunate that today the whole might of the Akyem Abuakwa state will have to descend on a small fly like Mr. Samuel Achuforsen. But be that as it may, I think that a lot of noise has been made out there, and it is very pertinent that Nanano respond to some of these allegations which is flying out there. And we're also calling on appropriate action to be meted already. We have documents from the Divisional Police Headquarters, who wrote to us on the 17th of March 2021, inquiring from us as to whether or not we have given a 500-acre land to Mr. Samuel Achuforsen, Teacher Mante, and other areas to carry out sand winning activities. This is the document that the police, the Divisional Police Commander wrote to us, inquiring from us whether his claim over the ownership of 500-acre land was legit. A cursory inspection of the document which is attached to the police inquiry letter clearly showed that your Chehene's signature was forged by Mr. Samuel Achuforsen. This is it. The man claimed this is not an indenture. So the man who's going all about, being given all the platform on radio and in the media today, He is under police inquiry bill by the Divisional Police Command on charges of forgery. He has forged no other person's signature than the side from which he was returning himself. And this is the man who's been given various media platforms, to baffle Nanano and to carry out a campaign of calumny and attrition against Nanano. It's unfortunate that this is happening in our country.
Now, so people catch them one. If you penny fee, I don't want to teach you at what on. Mumupi encourage simple so. Encourage a quanquabia chia. Sevita fracture. Nasam and Faquim. The Betuano Panabo be ready on Abuakwa one crat M1. Yes, a 2-4 CP. Tokoniba. I will be a gun of Memuha. Ever for Tima Gapadia. Nanam Dijai. Near Ghana 4P. Ata Togo Niechi. Tafate. Ghana never to Nako Togo. Akoyedi a sango for you. Ayana emu ya. Ghana na ye chichiri ne sa ne chichiri no. Ye change ma bibi. Ti ma sense jo ezentrofo bi no. Se mo ti asemo a. Nko jira baabi. Na mo akoka bibi fufuro. Na mo wi amo pa. Na mo ya besese. Ofo pani fie tafrache enye fada bi e wo kokko bi. Ana wo hwehwe a waka se wo hu. Ofo pani asa enye tisasem pana motia. Momra no mebi sa chiame. Na de wo ho ne so aka chere. Na atuforce sa atuforce no de ye ka chere ni nani so aka entokwache ye. O chema kwa ako 99 times o pia go to video chema chika afem. Na Summertide fracture Togo ni fi Togo abaha say oni o chema e betutwe. Omo kan tokwache ye. Enti omo twen na de eba no eso enya de a o chema e betrase na saafo we no abedi e wagro ti omo twen no mo mo ho na o chema de obi eni wo watu be bi o che awurate o chema ya watrase